Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the word gymnast. It's a term associated with grace, strength, and incredible athletic abilities. Let's divine. Meaning. A gymnast is a noun that describes an athlete who participates in the sport of gymnastics. Gymnastics involves a combination of physical strength, flexibility, balance, and coordination to perform a wide range of acrobatic and artistic movements. Pronunciation, pronounced gymnast as ʻdʒɪm.næsts, with the emphasis on the first syllable, gym. Use in a sentence. 1. She has trained as a gymnast for many years and can perform amazing flips and routines. 2. The gymnasts impress the audience with their incredible stunts and routines at the competition. Synonyms. In the context of sports, there aren't direct synonyms for gymnast, but you can describe the specific type of gymnast, such as artistic gymnast, rhythmic gymnast, or trampolinist. Conclusion. That's our insight into the word gymnast. These athletes possess a unique combination of strength, agility, and grace, making gymnastics a captivating and impressive sport. Thanks for joining us, and may you appreciate the incredible feats of gymnasts around the world.